A new robot known as the Dominator has set a Guinness World Record for placing 100,000 dominoes in just over 24 hours. Created by YouTuber and former NASA engineer Mark Rober, the Dominator is the result of more than 5 years of work. Rober had help from 2 freshmen from Stanford University and a Bay Area software engineer in creating the googly-eyed robot. The group programmed more than 14,000 lines of code and outfitted it with components like omnidirectional wheels and 3D printed funnels to create what Rober says is a friendly robot that's super good at only one thing:
setting up a butt ton of dominoes really fast.
Up against professional domino artist Lily Havesh, the Dominator used its ability to lay down 300 tiles all at once to work about 10 times faster than a human. It took the robot about 2 hours to put down 9,000 dominoes. To put its final achievement in context, it would take a team of 7 skilled domino builders about a full week to make the Super Mario Bros.-like mural. The Dominator needed a little more than a day to complete.